Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will see how to create this column infographic chart in Excel. If you see, we have various categories over here and these categories are represented by icons. The various columns chart represent the percentage rating of these categories. As we increase or decrease these categories, these charts automatically changes. For example, of clothes, 30%, we make it as 100%. So you see the chart automatically updates. And let's see how we can create this chart in Excel. So let's proceed. We have our data points over here and we have our supporting columns, and this is the rating, which is the percentage which we want to represent. In help 1, just put a random percentage as 30%. You can later on change this value if you feel it is not suitable. But all these values need to have the same thing. So each and every need to have it as 30%. And as I said, you can change it if you feel it is not suitable. Then you change here and you put the rating and then you add 40% to it. So we have added 40% to it and we have put our chart. Now select your chart, go to insert and insert a normal stacked bar chart. Now we have a stacked column chart over here, not a bar chart. Then you can just delete the percentages. Now if you see this green one which you hear is the help to. So select the green series and do change chart type. And for help to put it as a scatter plot and you do OK. Now you can delete the axis, you can delete the grid lines, and you can delete the legend. Let's also delete the title. So currently we have changed the help to a scatter plot. Now select the bottom series which is blue, do format data series and just adjust the gap width. So start reducing the gap width and make it a little thicker. These columns have to be a little thicker. So I have done that. So you can adjust it accordingly. So currently it is 31%. If we feel it's not the correct one, we can later on go again and adjust the gap width. Now select the bottom series and do add data labels. So you see we get 30% over here, but we don't want 30%. We want the various categories. So we select these data labels and do format data labels and do value from cells. And we select our categories and do OK. So now you see your categories and 30%, but we just want the categories. So we say no value over here. We increase the font and we make it white in color and bold. Now we don't require our axis, so we delete it. Now each of these series individually we can go ahead and put a color which we want. For example, for the first one I put a purple color. For the second one I put a green color. For the third I put this color, or I'll change it, I'll put this color, and for this I'll put it as this color. So put whatever colors which you want. Now I have taken some icons which I will put instead of these scatter plots. So let me get those icons onto this sheet. So I have taken these icons from the internet and I have made the background transparent for these icons. So these are the icons which I have taken. You can take any icon which you feel represents your category. So now what you need to do is select your each. Before we do that, just select your chart and go to shape format. So I've selected my chart. I go to format option. In shape effects, I put a bevel option for the first portion. I do the same thing for the bottom portion. I go to bevel and put a bevel option. This is optional step. If you don't want it, you don't need to do it. So now next step is select the first icon, copy it. Just select the first scatter plot and paste it. Now select the second icon, copy it. Just select the second scatter plot and paste it. Let's quickly do it for the others. Now we have added all the icons. The last step is just to add the data label. So we select these portions on top, which is the colored portions, and do add data labels. We get our data labels, we increase it, and we make it white in color. For this yellow one, let's select a darker color just for the yellow one. I will put it as this. So now you see we have our chart completely ready. So you can use these kind of icons to make your chart more appealing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.